So now let's see how we can use the compare documents feature inside of Google Docs. So here you can see that I have TutorTube version 2 document. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create its copy and make a few changes right here. So I'm just going to go to file right here and then I'm going to click on make a copy just like this. And the name of the copy is going to be TutorTube version 3 right here. And I'm going to press OK. So it creates a copy of the document over here. So TutorTube version 3 has been created. So what I can do is I can go around and make a few changes over here. So I change the title just like this. And I'm going to remove this right here. And make a few changes over here on the bottom. Maybe remove this paragraph right here and say hi there just like this. Okay, so that's the changes right there. So what I can do is I can compare the document with the previous version now to see what changes are there in two documents. Maybe there are two people working on the document and they both made the changes. So you want to compare it out, you can do that right here. So now for that, I'm going to go into tools and then I'm going to go to compare documents right here, just like this. And what you can do is you can select the comparison documentation from your drive. So I'm just going to go around right here and then in the recent, since I'm on TutorTube version 3, I'm going to select TutorTube version 2 and then just open that out right here. And I'm going to go around. So it also says include comments from selected document. Yes, so let's just include the comments as well and click on compare just like this. So once we compare, what happens, it says the comparison is ready. So we can open it out and a third page opens out where the comparisons is there. So now you can see that this is TutorTube 2 and this is 3. So it compared. So over here you can see that it says it replaced Lorem with this one right here. Because we are comparing this document to this one, what is happening is that it says that this has been replaced. Lorem has been replaced with this and this has been added right here. So add is here right here. But what we did was other way around. So you can see that it compares this document and compares it with the changes made in this document right here. But if I were to go over here and then compare this out on this document, let's say for example, and then it will compare it the other way around. So I'm just going to go to version 2 and then I'm going to go to, let's say for example, tools and then go to compare documents and then I'm going to go to my drive right here and then I'm going to go to recent and I'm going to select let's say TutorTube version 3 for this one. So let's just go for version 3, open that out right here and click on compare and it creates a new document with that comparison now and the changes will be based on what the changes I made for version 3. So you can see that now it says I replaced this with Lorem right here, I deleted this out right here and then you can see that I deleted this paragraph out and then added in this word right over here. And that is how you can use the compare documents feature inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.